Hey, Dan here from DB Reviews, and today I'm going to do a overview of the Bike Hand toolkit. I got the Bike Hand Complete bicycle repair tools from Amazon. It was $149. Now, I did a bunch of research on the different toolkits available. I've been cycling for a while, and I've purchased different parts and pieces as I need them, and I have quite a few tools, mostly stock tools, things that you would get at the Home Depot, Lowe's, similar stores. A lot of cycling tools are specialized, and invariably what happens is something will come up with your bike and you don't have quite the right tool. So you go out and you buy an individual tool when that scenario comes up. And I've done that right along, and I've bought different tools by Park, mostly by Park. Park's the big name. And one of the things I wanted to do is I wanted to get a full kit. And I was reviewing the different kits, and of course I looked at Park. And the Park AK-2 Advanced Mechanic Toolkit right here on Amazon's about $300. Look at the different kits available and read the reviews and decided to go with Bike Hand. This is the toolkit I got. They seem to have some really good reviews, $150. And here's the kit. So I just got it. I'm going to open it up, and we're going to see. A little cold out today, so my fingers aren't functioning 100%. A little cold. All right. Let's see what we have here. Okay, I'm gonna put the box upside down here. Solid. Nice packaging. Plastic isn't cheap, you could tell. Some of the things that give you an indicator of quality is just simple things like the packaging, the plastic. You look at the box is solid. You got screws in the handle for the top. Let's see what we have. We got a tray right here. The tray is actually metal, so I'm not sure if this is the working tray or not. We'll take a look at that. Screwdriver. Now this tool will be the to check your chain for wear. Bike Hand general purpose grease. Got a Torx tool. Everything feels solid in this kit. number 12 and 10 wrenches. So your hub cone spanner wrenches. So the rubber on the outside of this wrench feels nice and solid. It's decent quality. BB9000. I got the Holotech 2. I'll tell you what, I'm pretty impressed. Thing is solid in this kit. Right, here you go. Look at these Allens. Now this Allen set is a serious Allen set. The way it fits, look at the size of that. The bottom of the toolbox, they have a place for everything. Now, let's see here. Got the Bike Hand description on Amazon, but you can go to Bike Hand's website. You can see a full description of everything there as well. Yep. Alright, here you go. This is do a comparison here. Here's Bike Hand's pedal wrench. And we have the Park. This is the pedal wrench that I've used right along. See the thickness on those? I don't see any difference in the thickness in the metal. And the Bike Hand has got a nice solid grip on it. I mean, I don't feel as though I sacrificed at all on these tools. I mean, this just as well could say Park on it, and for me, I'm an amateur cyclist, I get that. Some of you watching this may say, you know, maybe there's something about the Park tools that, you know, I don't see. But at face value, And being a tool kind of guy, I use them all the time, all different kinds of tools. And as far as quality at face value right here, this bike hand gear seems stand up to me. It seems like solid gear. I think it was a good investment. Now, maybe there's some things that I'm shy of in this kit that I would have gotten the part kit, but I can always backfill. For 150 bucks, there's your cable cutter. That's your chain tool. There you go. That's a solid piece of gear right there. This is a good shop tool. I have no issues at all working on a chain with this. This is heavy duty. Nice rubberized handle. It's quality stuff. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. I think this was a good investment. It gives me a good selection of tools. One of the ways I made a decision on this is I just looked at some of these individually, how much they were going to cost, regardless of the manufacturer. And for any one of these, any combination of these tools, I'd be right up there, $100-ish. So by going with a kit, getting the toolbox that's specific to this, to cycling, got a nice foundation for specialized tools. And if I'm missing anything, I'll just look it up and add it and order the individual and put it in my kit and be good to go. I'll do a follow-up review on this, but I'm pretty happy with what I see right here so far. Looks pretty good. I think Bike Hands have done a great job. I think you feel confident in buying this gear, especially for an amateur cyclist like myself. I'm an enthusiast. I'm not a pro.